Indra Sarma vs. V.K.V. Sarma, 2013. The Supreme Court observed that if a man and a woman have lived together for a long time as a couple, they would be presumed to be legally married, and the woman would be entitled to maintenance if they were to separate. The court highlighted the need for a relationship in the nature of marriage to establish claims. D. Velusamy vs. D. Patchaiammal, 2010. This case laid down guidelines to determine whether a relationship can be considered a live-in relationship or a relationship in the nature of marriage. The Supreme Court emphasized factors like shared household, domestic arrangements, social recognition, etc., while considering the validity of such relationships. Khushboo vs. Kanniammal Anr, 2010. This case addressed the issue of morality and live-in relationships. The Supreme Court held that living together without marriage is not illegal and that any restrictions or guidelines should be within the framework of the Constitution. Preeti Gupta and Anr vs. State of Jharkhand and Anr, 2010. In this case, the Supreme Court observed that if a man has consensual sexual intercourse with a woman with the promise of marriage and then fails to marry her, it doesn't necessarily amount to rape, but it could lead to a case of cheating or breach of promise to marry. Lata Singh vs. State of UP and Anr, 2006. The Supreme Court stated that parents cannot threaten or harm an adult couple who have chosen to live together in a live-in relationship. It upheld the right of adult individuals to live together consensually.